guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a really delicious meal. I mean really delicious. This is what I call my chicken and pineapple casserole. It's got all the perfect flavours that you might want, and this meal is suitable for a special meal, an evening meal or a weekend meal. Now before we carry on, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that, and I'll always get back to any comments that you make. And here are the ingredients that we're going to need. 2 chicken portions. Here I've got 2 thighs. Now you can leave the skin on or you can take the skin off. It's entirely up to you. 1 chicken breast, 1 very large chicken breast that I've got. I'm going to cut this up into cubes. 2 carrots. Obviously we're going to need pineapple and the juice of the pineapple. These pineapple rings come from a tin. Some chopped up garlic. Some white wine vinegar, about half a cup. 1 or 2 teaspoons of white granulated sugar and some soy sauce. So I'll make a start by doing some prepping. First the chicken. I'm going to cut that down into these little cubes, about 1 inch I suppose, a bit like this. And the carrots, I'm going to cut those up into quite small chunks, they take a bit longer to cook. Then the garlic. Now I'm going to chop this fairly small, not too small, don't want it to vanish. And there's your pineapple, that's gone into chunks. Then again, keeping it all about the same size. And of course I've decided to add in 1 chopped red onion. Chopped up a bit like this. Now into my very favourite oven dish, I'm going to put the 2 chicken thighs and surround the chicken thighs with the chicken breast that's been cut into the cubes. Then I'm going to follow with our carrot. Get this nice and evenly all over the top. Oh, I love those bright colours of carrots. Wonderful. Then we can go in with our garlic. Spread that around. We want these flavours to mix in, don't we? And a red onion. Spread it around too. Don't forget that corner piece. And of course the star of the show, our pineapple goes in. There we go. Oh guys, that's looking delicious already. It's not finished yet. And the syrup. Don't forget the syrup. And your white wine vinegar. You want about 1/4 to half a cup of this, depending on your taste. And the same with the soy sauce. In that goes. Sugar to taste. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. You can use 1, you can use 3. It's entirely up to you. A little drop of water to build it up a bit. We're going to lose some evaporation while it's cooking. Nestle this down so it's all covered slightly, almost. Then over the top, put some aluminium foil and off to the oven. In we go, shut the door, gas mark 2 for about 2 hours, and then this is what you've got. Isn't that looking great? There's your final dish. A few shots. I can't get waiting to start on my taste test, that's for sure. And here he is. Well, that sure does taste as good as it looks. I've had this before and I'm going to have it again. Well tasty. Please try this recipe for yourself. I'm sure that you won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And I can't say any more, can I? Except, see you next time. Bye.